Alright, what's up? I'm Ayan, and today I'm going to show you how you can transfer files between your PC and your Android phone without using any wires. First, you need to go to this link. Here you can download the wireless sharing with your PC made easy. This is the Neighbor Share for Windows, which is already pre-installed on your Android phones. You need to download it and open it up. Wait for it. If you get any prompts, say yes to them, and the downloading will start just like that. Just wait for it to finish installation. Okay, the installation is complete. Now you need to close it and close this browser as well. Now you need the app is properly installed. Go to your start. Here is it. You can see you'll just need to drag and drop it to the desktop so it is easy for you to find it. Here we go. Let's open it up and start sharing. It automatically sets my name, and you should need to keep the receive from everyone and keep everyone mode on all the time so it is easy for you to change it. Here you can see this device name. Here you can see your saved files, or you can change the location. Device visibility, everyone mode all the time is the best choice, and I think there's nothing else. And also you need to turn on your Bluetooth so it works. Go to your settings and turn on the Bluetooth. Here we go. Now let's move on to our Android device. Your Android device, go to your files, select the file that you want to share with your PC, press the share icon, select the nearby share option, and you need to turn on your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and location so it works. Let me turn it on. Here we go. Now let's try again. Share icon and select the nearby share. Well, I prefer that you use Files by Google app, so we're gonna go there now. Well, now we are going to the Files app by Google. Press the send icon and select the file that we want to share. And we need to select next. Here you can see my PC is showing up. You need to select it and we need to go to your PC now. Okay, here you can see the file is showing up. We just need to accept it and the transfer will begin. Just like that. Here you can see the speed. It works like very well. Enough for you to do something. And if you don't have wires, this is the best way that you can share your files. And also if you want to share your file from your PC to your Android, this is the way as well. You need to select files from here. For example, I'm gonna share this. Open it up, wait for it till your Android device shows up and select it. And your file is properly sent there. Let me show you on my Android phone. If for some reason your device did not show up, you should select the receive option from this Files by Google app, which works very well. Well, as you can see, my device is ready to receive from my PC or any other mobile device. And also make sure device visibility is already on. Keep everyone mode on all time so your device can be visible to your PC. Wait for it because I haven't sent it. As you can see, the files ready to receive, accepted, and your files ready. And you can view this file in your downloads folder. Easy peasy. Now let's get back to your PC. Well, here you can see the file was properly sent. Now let's just done it. And also you can drag and drop files to send, which is really comes in handy. And also you can press the right click option and there is option to nearby share the file. Drag and drops works very well. Wait for it to search. Anyway, that's been it. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next one because you know how it works. Take care. And also I'm not gonna share this file over and over again. I will catch you in the next one. Take care. In case you are wondering my device is not showing up, it is because I have not turned on nearby share on my device. So let's cancel it. Well, that was it. Peace.